welcome to my Momma's online tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to make our gluten-free sandwich bread. This bread is the closest we've come to a non-gluten-free bread and doesn't contain any chemicals or added ingredients that you can't pronounce. It's very easy to make and doesn't require a lot of additional ingredients. You're going to need 1 bag of my Momma's sandwich bread mix, 1.5 cups of warm water mixed with 2 tablespoons of yeast that are included in our mix, 2 eggs, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. You're going to start by adding your yeast and water to the mixing bowl, followed by your eggs. It is absolutely important to make sure you use the paddle and not a dough hook on your mixer for this recipe. Gluten-free bread dough doesn't act the same way that non-gluten-free bread does, so we've accounted for that. Then mix on whichever speed you're brave enough to use. We recommend starting out slow, then picking up speed. Next, you're going to add the flour mix and the melted butter. Being careful not to miss the bowl. The bread dough mixes better in the mixer instead of on the table. Then you're going to mix it on a low speed until the flour is incorporated. After that, you can mix it on high for about 30 seconds to get it nice and fluffy. This is what your dough's final product should look like. Then you're going to put your dough into a buttered bread pan. This mix will make 1 large 2-pound loaf of bread. Using a butter knife or spatula, you're going to scrape the dough out of the bowl into the bread pan and spread the dough evenly. The dough is going to appear to be much wetter than regular bread dough. Don't worry, you didn't do it wrong. That's just how it's supposed to be. Next, you're going to rub the top with a little bit of melted butter. This will help the top brown nicely. You're going to let the dough rise in a warm spot for 1 hour. Then place it in an oven at 400 degrees. After placing it there, turn it down to 325 for around 20 to 25 minutes. When it emerges from the oven, it should be golden brown with a nice crispy top. You're going to take the bread right away and flip it out of the pan onto a bread rack or a towel. This will prevent it from sweating in the pan, which will make it soggy. Your final result should be 1 beautiful 2-pound loaf of bread with a crispy outer layer and a soft, luscious, fluffy interior. Paired with a spread of butter makes it absolutely irresistible. Finally, bread again. And that's how you make my Momma's gluten-free sandwich bread. Are you looking to make good gluten-free food without all the hassle? Check out our other videos on our YouTube page, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to see more of our exciting recipes. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook and find our mixes on our website at itsmymommas.com. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.